Welcome again to another live trading session with me at Market Potentials. Now, I truly hope you've been keeping well, and as I mentioned, it's a live trading session. So today is the 22nd of July 2021, as you can see here, just past 4 p.m. from where I am. And as the title of this video suggests, today we're going to be learning exactly how we can start making $100 and more with binary option trading every single day in the quickest and easiest manner possible. Now, I know in the midst of all this pandemic, this is probably going to be useful to a lot of you guys, so pay attention. All right, now while I'm talking, I've just gone ahead and entered into the trade. So I've put in $150. I'm trading the GBP USD, the British Pound US dollar, and as you can see here, in 30 seconds I'm going to be standing to make $115 if things go my way, which let's see if it does. All right, so basically this is binary option, guys. All you have to do is just select the instrument that you want to trade, and you just go ahead and select higher or lower. And as you can see, this is going my way. I'm sorry I expected to talk a bit longer before we jumped into the trade, but as this is a live trade, you know, sometimes you just have to multitask. Now we're just going to dissect and see what exactly I did to earn this $115. Now mind you, that's a 77% ROI of $150 investment in literally 30 seconds. All right, that's literally what we did here, and it's really not complicated. All right, I typically do this a couple of times in a day, and I make anything between $100 to $500 a day, which, well, it changes lives if you think about it, right? I mean, imagine what $100 or $500 in profit every single day in just minutes can do for you and your family. And that's exactly why I produce videos like this. So I would very much appreciate if you could go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you have not, because this is the kind of content I hope to continue to produce, to share with you guys, to help you guys make a better living for yourself. All right, so do not forget to subscribe. Do that now if you haven't, and let's jump into why I took the trade when I did. All right, so as I mentioned, the aim was to make $100 in profit, so I traded $150. Now mind you guys, if you are entirely new to the IQ option platform, or you have not even signed up, well, that's a big mistake. There's a button down there, go ahead, click on it, and sign up is done in a few minutes. All right, so basically this is a trading platform that allows you to make binary option trading. Now binary option trading is very similar to forex trading, but it's just a lot simpler and quicker for you to make money from, which is why I really do think that if you're a complete beginner, this is probably the direction you want to go with. All right, even if you're a bit more experienced as well. So with binary option trading, you're literally just selecting either higher or lower for the instrument. All right, now as you can see, I've got very standard indicators set up for this trade. I've got the Bollinger Bands. Now once you have signed up with IQ option, again the link is down below, so go ahead and do that now. What you want to do is download the trading platform, which you can easily do on your desktop or your Mac or whatever you have. Once you come in here, you can then select the instrument that you want to trade. So I typically trade the Forex, and you can find the British Pound US dollars somewhere here. There you go. So once you've got it up here, what you want to do then is just go and select your chart type. I typically use the candlestick, the traditional candlestick, and the candle time period of 5 seconds, which is what you have here, and a couple of indicators. All right, now this is, if you are entirely new, guys, you're probably going to be thinking this sounds ridiculous, like you don't know whether you can learn this stuff. But trust me, with time and effort, anyone can do this, because when I started more than 6 years back, I literally knew nothing as well. So the indicators that I use, as I said, are very common, as you can see here. I'm using the Bollinger Bands, which is the first one here, which just shows the trading bandwidth of the width of the channel, so to speak. MACD, the psychological indicator, and the RSI. Now that's pretty much it. But the thing about indicators is sometimes they typically do lag, so I still rely on the candlestick analysis as a primary means, and the indicators to kind of like support the decision. All right, now here's why I went the way I did. Now if you have a look at the candlestick pattern here, all right, you see a pretty big bearish candle here, right? The red candle with a downward candle, followed by like almost two candlesticks of like indecisiveness. Okay, now what you then do, what I then did is basically I looked at other indicators such as the MACD, the RSI, and the psychological line. Now with the three of these indicators, I spotted an uptrend that's going to happen, which is exactly what happened here, right? So as you can see here, the MACD are basically merging, but there was already a slight uptick of the blue line here, right? The blue line basically means, well, it's going to go up, price is going to go up. Similar with the RSI as well, there was a slight incline over here, and we went terribly at the overbought, which is the green line, which means that, you know, potential to go up is definitely there. And another thing is also the psychological line, which kind of already indicates like a flattening out that's going to happen. Now all of this, you kind of have to use it together, all right? You can't just rely on any one indicator, which is why I say indicators, use it like a bonus. Candlestick analysis, what you see in the candles is what you should be really relying on. Okay, so that's pretty much what I did, guys. And as you can see, in literally 30 seconds I have $115 additional that I can just withdraw in like minutes now. By the way, withdrawals is processed immediately by IQ option within 24 hours, direct to your bank account or credit card or whatever is it that you have that you want to transfer money to. So that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. The main reason is that in the midst of this pandemic right now, I know a lot of us are suffering from job losses and you know, being locked up and stuff and losing the opportunity to earn an income. So binary option trading is definitely something you guys want to give a try for. You know, like seriously, just try it out. Signing up for the platform is free. Again, the link is down below. You can just start trading with a demo account, and when you're eventually ready to go live, you can just do that with just a $10 deposit. All right, you can actually start trading for just $1 per trade. And still make like 77 returns with each 77% return with each trade, which is ridiculous, guys. I mean, who else is going to give you this kind of money, right? I put in $150 and I'm walking away with $115 in literally 30 seconds flat. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to share with you guys. The main thing is that do not be afraid to try this, because this is really not as difficult as, you know, some of you may think it is. Until you really tried it, give it some time, put in the effort and time to actually understand it, then you can make a decision for yourself. All right, and trust me, it's changed lots of people's life, and I truly hope that this video was educational to you. You learned a little bit, and again, do not forget to subscribe for more videos just like this, and take care. I'll see you on another video the next time around.